story takes us way back to man's most primitive times, when all continents on Earth were joined or merely separated by a river. There were several races of man, all different in appearances, but nevertheless still human. Earth has always been a target to comets and debris like rocks falling from the skies, so they often associated it with a higher being living above, throwing stones in anger, and would one day make his appearance. On one bright summer day, like clockwork, there it was, a vessel coming down from the skies, introducing creatures much taller than humans. But being the ignorant people as the early man was, they not only welcomed their invaders, they also allow them to rule over them as gods. The aliens' image were almost the same to the Homo sapiens, other than the heads of these so-called gods were in the forms of cats or birds. In what would be the continent of Africa, these aliens taught the Egyptians how to use Earth's natural resources to create wealth, and great statues, in showing gratitude, mind-boggling monuments were formed in favor of man's best friends. Not all of these creatures were as friendly as the ones who settled in Egypt. Others would come shortly after with ambitious plots to have human sacrifices in their honor. As all good stories go, there must be one that thinks differently. In this tale, his name is DREAD PSYROX, son of an Ethiopian queen who was abducted and raped by one of these aliens when she was pregnant with PSYROX, giving him enhanced strength, rapid healing, and rejuvenation. On his 18th birthday, he then pledged to rid the Earth of all aliens, even if it cost him his own life.
Come, Silver. Something troubles the Earth.